Hello students, this is your maths teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today I'll discuss with you topic probability first standard 10. Students, in our last lecture we discussed the questions regarding dice and coins. Today we'll discuss the questions regarding the pack of cards. So many of you must be familiar with the pack of cards, that what are the colors in a pack of cards, how many cards are there. So even then, before starting my topic, let me discuss the cards which are there in a pack of cards. As you must be knowing, a pack of card contains 52 cards in total. There are 52 cards in the pack of a card. These 52 cards are divided into two colors, red and the other is black. 52 cards are of two colors, red and black. 52 are total, out of which 26 half are red and 26 are black. Now these 26 red cards are further divided into two suits. One diamond, the other hearts. Diamonds and hearts. 13 diamonds, 13 hearts. Black again divided into two suits, of which 13 are spades and 13 are clubs. You must be familiar with these cards. मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए इनकी एक डायग्राम शेप बना देता हूँ. No doubt these shapes will not be accurate ones, but you must come to know what these shapes are actually. You have seen these in pack of cards. Diamonds are of this shape. Hearts are of this shape. Hearts are of this shape. And clubs are of this shape. Diamond, heart, club and spade and club. These are the 13 cards. Now what these 13 cards are? These cards starts from 2, 3, 4 up to so on. These goes up to 10. Then comes jack, then comes queen, then comes king, and the last one is ace. So total 13 cards are there. 2, 3 up to 10, 9 cards. Then 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. Similarly these 13 from 2 to 10, then jack, queen, king and ace. Same, these are 2 to 10, then comes jack, queen, king, ace. Same are these 2 to 10, then is jack, queen, king and ace. So in all these suits there are 13 cards. 2 to 10 these are number cards. Then jack, queen and king, these three are face cards and ace is an honor card. Now we talk about the face cards. Face cards only. Face cards are jack, queen and king. How many jacks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 jacks, 4 queens and 4 kings. That means total 12 face cards are there. Out of these 12, 6 are red and 6 are black. Now if you see all these cards, there are 4 twos, 2 red, 2 black. Tens, 2 red, 2 black. Ace, 2 red, 2 black. All these cards, whatever the card you can pick, these will be 4 in total, and 2 of which will be black and 2 of which will be red. So I hope you must be clear about the cards. Total 52 cards we have, out of which these 52, 26 are red, diamonds 13, heart 13. 26 are black, 13 spades and 13 clubs. These are the cards. Out of these, jack, queen and king are face cards, which are 12 in number, 6 red and 6 black. So student, this is all about the, you can say, a pack of cards Now we have to take the questions related to these pack of cards. I am raising these so that I can solve the questions. Students, I hope you must be familiar with these cards. If anybody is not familiar with the pack of cards, do learn these cards with their numbers, how many each cards are there in a pack of cards. Now suppose I need to find the probability of getting a red card. The question is, a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a red card. Now the formula we discussed related to a probability, it was number of favorable cards divided by total number of cards. Now we need to find the probability of getting a red card. Out of total 52 cards, जो denominator बनेगा, how many were red? 26 were red. That means the number of favorable cards 26. So it will be 1 by 2. Suppose we need to find the probability of getting a heart. Same formula will be working. Now how many hearts were there in the pack of cards? 13 and total 52, which gives you 1 by 4. Suppose you need to find the probability of getting a king. Find the probability of getting a king. How many kings were there? 4 kings were there. Heart, spade, diamond, club. These 4 were there. So 4 over 52, which will be 1 by 13. Suppose you need to find the probability of getting a black 10. Black 10. How many 10 were there? 4 10. And out of these 4, 2 were black. Spade and club. So it is 2 by 52, which is 1 by 26. So I hope you must be clear about these probabilities. Suppose you need to find the probability of getting a 5. We need to find the probability of getting a 5. 5, how many 5s were there? 4 5s were there. So it is 4 by 52, which is 1 by 13. When you have a question like this, find the probability of getting a 2, find the probability of getting a 5, find the probability of getting a 8. तो कई बार होता क्या है, बाय चांस अननोइंगली हम मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. जैसे आपको आ गया फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ए 4, तो जल्दी से हम लिख देंगे. या आ गया 6, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ 6, तो हम लिख देंगे 6 by 52. So while attempting these questions, try to be more careful कि आप वो नंबर ना उठा के लिख दें, ये गलत होगा. Probability of getting a 6 is 4 by 52 because there are 4 6s in the pack of heart. So students, I hope you must be clear related to the questions of cards. So before concluding my topic, मैं आपके लिए एक और क्वेश्चन, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो probability का वो डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ, which is the question is there in the NCERT book also. Suppose the question is the king, queen and jack of clubs has been removed from the pack of cards. Find the probability of getting a black card, face card and a king. So the question is king, queen and jack of clubs has been removed. अब ध्यान से देखिएगा, total cards of the pack, total cards as you know 52. Cards removed जो हमने निकाल दिए हैं या गुम हो गए हैं वो कितने हैं? King, queen and jack of clubs 1, 2 और 3. 3 cards has been lost. Therefore remaining cards 49. Now we need to find the probability of getting these cards from these 49 cards. That means the total number of cases will be 49. Therefore probability of getting, पहली क्या है? A black card. probability a black card. How many black cards are there in a pack? 26. But ध्यान से देखिए, किंग क्वीन एंड जैक 26 ब्लैक होते हैं टोटल. ये 3 कार्ड्स जो ब्लैक ही हैं क्लब के, हमने गुम हो गए हैं, तो रिमेनिंग रह गए 23. दैट मींस आंसर विल बी 23 over 49. Remaining cards 49. Second case is a face card. Probability of getting a face card. Total number of face cards 12. Now the cards which we have will be removed. जो कार्ड रिमूव किए हैं वो कौन से? तीनों फेस कार्ड ही हैं. That means 3 face cards has been removed. So remaining will be 9. So that means 9 by 49. And then is a king. Probability of drawing a king. You think what is the actual probability of drawing a king? It is 4 by 52. क्योंकि 4 king होते हैं. Now being one card king has been removed, that means remaining kings are 3 and remaining cards are 49. So I hope students आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आ गए. You can try more such questions related to the pack of cards from your book, or you can follow some other book. So if you are getting these questions, keep on following the channel. Thank you very much.